Hey guys! Today, I've built the ultimate email scraper that runs continuously, and the best part, it's completely free. So without wasting any time, let's jump right in. Alright, first we'll add a trigger node. You can run it manually or set it to run on a schedule. Alright, now set it as shown below. Just make sure to add the system prompt from the options section. This is where we'll define what the AI should do. So now, in the user and system prompts, I've told it to find 100 real USA dental clinic websites, no guesses or fake data, only verified ones. I've also instructed it to check the existing websites using the Get Rows Google Sheets tool in the AI agent node. Next, we've got an edit field node to clean or adjust the data. Now we've got a code node to parse the URLs. After that, we'll use a Google Sheets node to save all the URLs. Moving forward, we've got an execute as sub-workflow node, set to run once for each item. The sub-workflow executed by the execute workflow node will have a URL like this. Make sure the HTTP node is configured with the get method, and enabled continue on fail under options. Then, link it to the merge node as shown. Up next, there's an edit node to fine-tune or modify the data. We've got an if node to pass only valid data. Up ahead, we've got a code node that pulls all the HTML page links. We'll use these to extract the emails. Moving on, we're using an HTTP node to fetch HTML data from each page URL one by one. Up next, there's a code node that extracts all the emails from the fetched HTML data. Here, we're using a code node to clean things up. It removes duplicate emails. Finally, set up the Google Sheets node as shown to store the cleaned email data. Lastly, we've got an execute as sub-workflow node set to run once with all items. This automatically triggers the workflow to send emails to the collected addresses. The sub-workflow trigger will receive the data in this format. Next, there's a Get Rows Google Sheets node that fetches all emails by matching them with the given URL. Then, an edit node to tweak the data. Here, we've added a code node to structure the email, including the to, subject, and body fields. It also formats the message in HTML to make it look professional, just like those well-designed emails you get from big platforms in your inbox. After that, pass the data from the code node as shown. Set the email type to HTML and turn off append attribution in the options, exactly as displayed. That's it, your setup is complete. You can download all the templates from the link below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and message me on Instagram if you run into any issues.